Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to connect a pair of Bluetooth headphones to your PC. Step 1. Enter pairing mode. For this tutorial, I'll be using Sony headphones. To put them in pairing mode, press and hold the power button until the LED starts blinking between red and blue. Most headphones follow a similar process, but you may want to check your model's manual for specific instructions. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth and connect the headphones. Go to the Start menu and search for Settings. Open Settings, then select Devices. In the Devices window, you'll see any devices already paired with your computer. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device, then select Bluetooth from the menu that appears. A list of nearby Bluetooth devices will show up. Look for your headphones and select them. Your headphones should now be connected. You can confirm this in the speaker settings, where you should see the Bluetooth headphones as an available audio device. Step 3. Test the connection. Play an audio or video file to test the sound quality. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Bluetooth headphones to your PC. Please subscribe and leave a like if you found this guide useful.